When studying the past, it's important to ask questions. Taking things at face value can be misleading, especially if you're judging them by modern standards. Societies change over time. Things that were once acceptable, such as slavery, are now indisputably wrong. The reverse is also true. Practices that are now common, such as women voting, were once considered unnatural and even dangerous. To better understand what happened and why, try to get into the mindset of the society you're studying. How did people think, feel, and behave in that era, and why? Remember that you don't have to agree with them. All you're trying to do is understand them. There are a few questions you can ask yourself. First of all, what actually happened? What was the chain of events? For example, if you're studying the outbreak of World War II, you'd look at the rise of Hitler, the Allies' treaties, and the invasion of Poland. The next question is more difficult. What were people thinking? Why was fascism able to take hold in Germany? What was it about Hitler that appealed to his followers? And why wasn't he stopped before he became so powerful? It's a good idea to then step back and look at the bigger picture. Historical events don't happen in isolation. Now ask the question, why there? What was going on in other parts of the world? Fascism rose in other countries too, such as Italy. What was the common factor? How and why were other countries, like England, different? You can also ask yourself, why then? What led up to the event, and was it inevitable? Germany was reeling after its defeat in World War I and suffering from massive economic and social unrest. Did that sow the seeds for what was about to happen? Another way to study history is to look at the artifacts, which are objects from the past. Can you imagine using the object yourself? Study it closely. What questions come to mind? For example, people were given gas masks during the war. They were made of black rubber, which would get hot and smelly. Why were they needed? How did people feel when they put them on? By asking who, what, where, when, why, and how questions that delve beneath the surface, you can gain a better understanding of what happened in the past.
If you liked this video, you can find it and so many more at ClickView.net. Sign up for free today.